Hello, I am doing a review and installation of the TX550M Corsair Gold rated power supply semi-modular, and yeah, let's get right in. Okay. There's some information on the back. You can pause if you want. Like their cables. And yeah. Okay. Warranty and everything, like, important. Then the manual, UK power cable, and then the cables, some zip ties, and screws to mount it into your PC case, and some goodies. So let's take out the power supply. Wrapped in some good safe bubble wrap to prevent any damages. Nice Corsair fan. There's the semi-modular part. This bit's falling out. Put that back in. I'll do it later. There's the logo. On and off switch. That's kind of satisfying. There's the logo. I already said that. But yeah, very nice power supply, I should say. So open the cables. Comes with SATA cables, SATA connectors for your hard drives and SSDs. So there's 1, 2, 3 on this single one that gets plugged into your power supply, and then another SATA connector. This one has 2 SATA connectors, and then a Molex to a floppy disk drive, I think it is. I think that's what it is. Yeah, adapter. And then Molex connector, 4 Molexes. And then your PCIe connector. So yeah, there's the power supply. You can probably maybe see some Japanese capacitors, hopefully, maybe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and yeah, this is my 3rd take. Thank you.